Alright, so I know it's going to be bright. But here a while back I worked on a Vocaline radio transceiver. And I think I just did video of, like, the interior of it. Basically, I did sort of a cleanup on it, which I'll show you, like... Alright. Let me grab mine real fast. Now, mind you, my buddy wants me to test and see if we can get these to talk to each other. So, I want to show you sort of the differences. Like, mine's clean. His, I haven't touched yet, which, if I remember correctly, yes, there are screws under there. It's on one side. I remember that, but check this out. So, this is mine, which has been cleaned. It looked dissimilar to this one when I got it, which still needs kind of cleaned and something done to it, but I don't know what to do since this is like a crinkle paint. Check this out. Alright, so you can see mine, a little bit of dirt up here, but it's clean, you can read it, it's legible, nothing wacky going on, you can see that's clean. Everything up here, outside of the handle, which is goner, but readable, push to talk, the antenna. 1954 to 56, if I remember correctly, that's what these are from. Because this one, cleaned up, sort of works. But my buddy wants me to see if I can get this one to talk back. And as you can see, like, that all looks fine there. Everything looks like it's still legible, but as you can see, they're supposed to say antenna up there. Can't read it. Push to talk looks fine. Something just came out from under that handle. I've still got to clean it. I should probably hit it with a vacuum, because that looks like rat poo. And that's not good. But somebody drilled holes here and here. Not sure why. I also remember that I don't have to pull these or those. I gotta just do... Oh, that's nice. Neat. Somebody's been here before. But it's just dirty and nasty and needs to be cleaned. And I don't know if it works. Because this one turns on, tries to do what it's supposed to. This one, I want to open it up, and before I ever plug it in, make sure nothing's gross, as per it is right now. Which, if it looks like this on the outside, what does it look like on the inside? So we'll pause, and I'll be back. But, yeah, gross. Alright, so the base is off. I've got it cleaned a little bit. I didn't clean that off, but comes right off. Okay. So when you're looking at a radio, or whatever, I didn't realize it came off. Actually kind of nice, because now that I know this comes off, I can take the one on mine off and probably remove that for a minute. But this is probably pretty original, and that one's guaranteed to be original. But somebody's been in here, because if you look right here, those are all small. On mine, they are not. I'm not going to say they're sorry to anybody listening. These are all small. These are all, wouldn't call them modern, because they're still green. It looks like there was probably an issue. The repair has been done, but they didn't clean it. And you have these over here, which I know those are not great. I know these like to explode or go nuclear. So, would I plug this in? No. But are the tubes in danger? No. At least to my knowledge. And it looks like they also replaced all these back up in there, but at the same time, it's really hard to tell. They don't look skid marky, but they also don't look good. But somebody did some work. Somebody got it looking pretty pristine in here. There's also another tube, which I'm trying to point at right back there, but you can't see. Because it should be hiding. Where are you at? Right back there. There should be another tube, if I remember correctly. You got these two tubes here, which I'm going to turn it over. Can't tell what that one is. Can't tell what the other one is. Not going to desolder, I'm going to find out, but they look good. The only thing I'm not liking are technically these big fat capacitors and that capacitor and this capacitor. This one, I don't know if I want to mess with it. Looks a little bit soaky. Like, wouldn't call it oil soaked, but it definitely looks oil soaked. So, yeah. I mean, I can plug it in, we can find out, but at the same time, that might be one of those, I hear that song in the background playing, you can find out, kind of thing. But, now it's going to be more getting something in here to clean this off. Next part is, nice click, and that needs to be greased. Definitely sticky. It comes back up. Also, I got a little bit of water on this thing, so now it's kind of gross. But I did not know the antenna came off. Because mine, this doesn't even move. They might have soldered it in on mine. But, yeah. So far, not too bad. Outside this loop, this leather is just... So, be back in a minute. Alright, so as a suggestion, don't do this. But we are going to be dumb. Because there's only one way to test this. Don't do anything dumb. Okay. No smoke yet. Okay. One sec. Let's see. I don't know if I want this facing me or not. Ooh. I hope you all can see that, but we got two tubes working. Alright, hold on. Testing 1, 2, 3. Can you hear me over there? I have no idea. I'll have to go back and play the video. Can you hear me over there? I have no idea.